So, hello everyone, welcome to the third lecture of Python programming by Execution Lab. So, as we are discussing our Python programming in a way that firstly we do question, and through question we read all the theories that is relatable to the topic. So, today topic of us are strings, indexing, slicing, string methods, and etc. So see the question, and through question we learn all the concepts that is asked by these questions by us. So question is, Execution Lab wants to build a student resume generator. Okay, it means we want to gift you a student resume generator using Python strings. Okay, so we are discussing our topic strings. So using Python strings, we have to build a student resume generator. The system should take student information. Okay, it means we have to take a student information and generate a professional resume while performing various string operations. Okay. Student details. Take input for full name, father's name, email, phone number, university, branch, skills, projects, LinkedIn username, GitHub username, city, country, requirements. The program must use string basics, indexing, negative indexing, slicing, string methods, escape characters, string formatting, f strings, string immutability, Unicode. Okay. Unicode. What is Unicode? Unicode is the special type of code which we use for symbols. For example, this. If we want to generate this symbol, then we have to write Unicode, that is /u 2507, like this. Okay. Operations. The program should convert full name into title case. Okay. Convert email into lowercase. Okay. Convert branch into uppercase. Display the first character of the name. Display the last character of the name. Display initials. Example TK. Reverse the student name. Count total characters. Count total words, and etc. And after that, we have that this type of resume. Okay. 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 So open your VS Code now. In VS Code. Where is our Seco file? Seco. Yeah, here is it. Today is lesson 2.py. Okay. So what is the question? Where is the question? Here is it. Firstly, what we have to do. Hmm. Hmm. Firstly, what we have to do, we have to take input for full name, father's name, email, phone number, university, branch, skills, projects, LinkedIn username, GitHub username, and city. So, firstly, we'll uh, write code for all of these. For name is equal to what? Name is a string. So, input, because in input function automatically string is coming. Okay, name. Now, after name, what is it? After name, father's name. Father's mm, where is that special one? Mm, father's name. Father's name is equal to input father's name after father's name we have email. Email is equal to input email. Okay, after email we have phone number. So phone number is equal to input phone number. After phone number we have university and branch. University input university and branch is equal to input branch. Okay, after branch we have skills. Skills. After skills we have projects, LinkedIn username, GitHub username. Projects फिर LinkedIn username. After that we have GitHub username. Where is the problem, man? Okay. Got it. Input. Uh, get hub. After GitHub, GitHub username now. GitHub username. After GitHub, there is city and country. City. So we have taken now all the inputs that we um, have to take. Now we'll go again on the question and read the requirement of the question. requirements, the program must use a string basics. Okay, it means we have to use a string indexing, negative indexing, slicing, string methods, escape characters, string formatting, f strings, string immutability, Unicode. So the program should convert full name into title case. Okay, okay, convert email into lowercase, convert branch into uppercase, display the first character of the name. Okay, 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 okay. Firstly, one by one we'll do all the things. Okay, so firstly we have name. Okay, so name is equal to name dot string. Now what I have done, strip is a function that we use to remove spaces that is given by the user by mistake. It means it may happen in your website that by mistake user have entered one space or two spaces, and if they saved that spaces, and because they don't remember that spaces, because by mistake they have input all the spaces and they have don't remember that how much spaces they have given, or the any space have they given or not. So if next time they come and uh, write their password and don't enter any spaces, then they will not able to log in again in your website. So how to tackle this situation? In that case we have to do we have to use strip function in this. So what do strip remove all the spaces that is input by the user. Okay, so name dot strip. Now question says convert full name into title case. What is meant by title case? So in title case, whatever name you are given, for example Tushar Kumar, so their first word, first alphabet Tushar, T, T get into uppercase. Okay, so T get into uppercase, and Tushar Kumar, K into get uppercase. Tushar Kumar, Kumar K. Okay, so name is equal to name dot title. So these are two functions. Okay, so if I have to write, what I do, uh, I write strip is for removing spaces, and I just do what, I just comment it out. Okay, uh, okay, done. Now strip is for removing spaces. Okay, one more comment is title is used to convert first alphabets of your name into large, into uppercase. Tushar Kumar, Tushar Kumar. So this is the output. After this, we have convert email into lowercase. Okay, and convert email into lowercase and convert branch into uppercase. Okay, email, email into lowercase. So email dot lower. Okay, okay, there's email dot lower. So here through uh, lower function, we are what we do if by mistake user enter, because we know in email all the characters, all the alphabets that we get all are in lowercase. So by mistake, if by mistake user input lower upper characters, then this lower function automatically converts all the alphabets into the lower one. So lower function converts all alphabets into lower alphabet. Okay. Now we have branch. Now we have convert branch into uppercase. So simply for this we use upper function. Branch is equal to branch dot upper. What upper do? Upper converts lower into upper. Okay. Okay, we're done. Now display the first character of the name. First character. What is the first character? If we have given first character of the name, then it is the character. So it means first alphabet. So name is equal to name dot what is the first character? Okay. Then it is name. We will have indexing 0, and after that name is equal to name minus 1. So for example, if any user enter Tushar Kumar, okay, so then you know what is the concept of indexing. In indexing is used to access individual characters of a string using their position number. Okay, for example, language. In indexing, what we do, we count the characters. For example, L 0, A 1, N 2, G, and just like that 0 1 2 3 4. Start from 0. Language 0, it means L. Okay, at 0 place L exists. Similarly, in reverse order, we start from minus 1 and so on. Okay, so if we have written name 0, so in a string, it's basically means in Tushar Kumar, you get T, and you are writing uh, minus 1, it means Tushar Kumar, in Tushar Kumar, and also count these spaces. Okay, in a string you also have to count these spaces also. Tushar Kumar R is what we get. Now display initials, example TK. Okay, it's very easy. We have to similarly use the concept of indexing. It is like very easy. Okay, so what we have to do, firstly we can use conditions in this. Okay, for example, if length of name, length is also a function which used to what, which is used by us to count the uh, number of what is the length of the string. Okay, so we use length to uh, find the length of the string. Okay, so length name is greater equal to this. Okay. Hmm. So uh, if user input name is equal to 2 or less than or more than 2, then what we do, then initials is equal to, then initials is equal to, name 0 0. This is called double indexing, in which firstly what we get, Tushar Kumar. Okay, and then dot upper plus dot plus name -1 0 dot upper plus dot. Okay, what is meant by this function? It says if our length name is greater or equal to 2, for example Tushar Kumar, it is equal to 2, Tushar and Kumar. Okay, so take 0 0, it means on 0 there is Tushar, and one more 0, it means Tushar in Tushar deep dive, and then take 0 in Tushar, it means T, and convert it into upper, it means bada T, plus dot, it means after bada T, take dot, and then plus name -1, it means -1, Tushar Kumar, Kumar is -1, so take Kumar and deep dive into it and take 0, it means K. Okay, K, and convert into uppercase, and then also dot, so we get TK. So we match this condition, this example TK. Reverse the student name also. Okay, what if there is only one character, one word? It means the name which is entered by the user is of only one word. It means only Tushar. Then in that case we'll take else condition, in which we do initials. We define initials basically. In this, initials is equal to name. Okay, and in that is 0 0, so 0 0 dot upper plus dot. Okay, initials is equal to, if it means if that name is even not greater equal to 2, then also it prints their first character. Okay, so what is given in the question? Reverse the student name. Okay, reverse it. So we use reverse is equal to name -1 double indexing -1 -2 -1. What does it mean? It means if you have Tushar, then it comes with RAHSUT. It means it act like a mirror. Okay, it means start, end, and a step. A step means -1. In a step, what we go through, because when we have a 0 1 2 3 4, we go from left to right. So if we have -1, it means we go from right to left. Okay, so reverse we have count total characters. Now we have to count total characters. So for count, what we do, count is equal to length. For total characters, we use the function length. So length name and dot replace. Okay, it means whatever name we have. Okay, for example, Tushar Kumar. If in Tushar Kumar, is there any space? Because Tushar Kumar is a string, so we have a space between Tushar and Kumar. So if that space is this, then convert that space into no space into this. Okay, and then count the length. Okay, now count total words. In this also we do that one. Word is equal to length name. Now remove extra spaces, replace spaces with underscore. Okay. Okay, if we have to remove spaces with underscore, then simply do here underscore. Okay. Okay. Replaces with generate official email ID. Okay. So what we do for official email ID? We do official email is equal to name. In official email ID, we get all the characters lower. So what we get name dot lower. Okay, name dot lower function plus in all the email we get at the rate, a special function. So we use at the rate plus gmail.com. But uh, for example, if you study in any university, then there is an university email. So that university email is basically on the name of that university. So we take university name here dot lower that name also with the help of lower function. Okay, and a dot and if there is any space between the name, for example, Lovely Professional University, space between Lovely Professional and University, so remove that spaces. Okay, it is better to remove that spaces. Okay, yeah, and because it is related to education, you can do dot edu, that any domain that you have. Okay, so name dot lower official email is equal to generate LinkedIn URL. Now you have to generate a LinkedIn URL. LinkedIn URL is equal to F. LinkedIn URL is equal to F. HTTPS HTTPS www.linkedin.com slash in slash and do this and write LinkedIn, your LinkedIn username. Okay, so whatever your LinkedIn username is, come here. Okay, so GitHub, I think most probable is GitHub after this. Yeah, GitHub. GitHub URL, okay, is equal to F HTTPS www.github.com slash GitHub username slash GitHub. Okay, so it is automatically filled. Okay, whatever the username that is given by the user. Now, what we have to do? Display welcome message using F strings. Okay, we have to now display welcome message also. So welcome message is equal to F what F welcome who welcome name, that person name is welcome. Okay, now F your resume has been generated successfully. Done. Now encode the resume into UTF-8. Okay. First of all, we have to write their skills in the resume. So we can also add skills of that. So skills slash n slash t slash n what do slash n add a new line and slash t add a tab space. For example, this tab space, you have one button in the laptop, tab. If you click that, then cursor move one tab space. Okay, that is a tab space. And one line, it means one line, one new line. So python slash n slash t uh, java slash n slash t uh, you can say javascript. Okay, and done. Firstly, we define Unicode. Do you know what is Unicode? If you want to um, use any special symbols, for example, any emoji or etc, then you use Unicodes. For example, slash u 2705. You don't have to remember this. You simply have to go to Google and search Unicode, go to this website, and you have all the Unicodes that you want. left this, go to images. Yeah. Here it is not found. Unicode with symbols. Hmm. Here it is the Unicode for this. Okay, for watch, and for all Unicodes are here. Okay, unique Unicodes are here. All. So simply to do these things. Now we come upon after writing so much this code, after writing this much of code, we now finally want to generate a resume for our customers. So resume text is equal to f for multi-line. Uh, for multi-line comment, we use triple quotes. Okay, so f string for one line we use f single quote, and for multi-line strings we use f triple quote. Triple quote. Okay, so name, and just like father's name, father's name. Sorry, father's name. Okay. After that, initials that we have defined in this section, if section, uh, for this, for writing tk. Okay, initials is equal to initials. After that we write email. After that we write official email. uh, where is our official email? Official email, official email, official email. Then what we write? Then we write phone number, phone number. Okay. Then we write what? University. Then we write branch. Then we write skills. Then we write LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Then we write GitHub. GitHub. Then we write city. Then we write country. Okay. Now we have all our resume. Now encode the resume into EF8. Okay. Now we have what we have this our resume. So This resume go to only their real owner and not to anyone else. For that we have to encode this. Okay, now how we encode this? So encoding in coding is equal to resume text dot encode. Use encode function for encoding and write simply UTF-8. Okay, now we have also done decoding for our customer that want this resume. Okay, so decoding is equal to encoding dot decode UTF-8, because we have to decode this one, so we could write encoding dot decode UTF-8. Okay, now we have to display all output. Um, so print which outputs? Our character output. All our characters. F first character, so print first character, print F last character, mm, second character, sorry, second character, and then print um, F initials, then print, and it is it. Uh, print welcome message. Okay. Print note, and then print F Unicode symbol. Okay, and then print decoding, and then print resume successfully generated. Resume successfully generated. Okay, now we have to run this only. um, Python listen to py, name Tushar Kumar, father's name Akhilesh Kumar, email t39440334@gmail.com, phone number university, LPU branch, CSC, skills, mod stack development projects, GitHub, LinkedIn username, Tushar, fame, yarn, city, Ara, country, India, and this is my, here it is it, Unicode symbol, skills, this is one tab, space, okay, all here is it, okay, so our resume builder app is ready. Only this is the logic, this simple logic make resume builder app, can you imagine? Okay, can you imagine, bro? Can you imagine?